Hi everyone. Today we're going to go through how to accept a quote and convert it into an invoice from the Xero mobile phone app. So when we log in, it automatically takes us to the dashboard, but we want to go one tab across into sales at the bottom there, click into quotes, find the quote you want to accept and click in, and then at the top right hand corner, click options. You can then click mark as accepted. You'll accept that quote, then click options again and click create invoice. So it'll input all the data from your quote. You can confirm that's all correct, change the due date if you wish. You can attach a file at the bottom there, and then you want to click save. So from here you can send it directly to the client, you can approve it, or you can save it as a draft. So let's send it. It'll then pull up an email ready to go to our client, and we want to click send. And that's all done. So that is how you would accept a quote and convert it into an invoice for your clients. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.